People, they are so many, and their number is ever growing. You can hardly imagine the daily increase. How one is to feed so many people if people will live on croplands once used to grow food? That's where the science and modern technologies step in to help. This is a grain of wheat. It is used not only to make bread, but also to grow meat you enjoy in your favorite dishes. This video will walk you through the process. The production of meat is a time and labor-consuming process, and until recently, its results would hardly pay off the time and resources invested. Look at these ordinary granules. Inconspicuous as they are, it is these granules that turn livestock farming into a highly productive and cost-effective business. This granule is not just a mere mix of nutrients, vitamins, and microelements, but a product of high technology and ample scientific research. A product of our technology, our expertise. For people without much knowledge about the agriculture, such words as premixes, concentrates, biovitamin and mineral additives, compound feed may signal an alarm, raising concerns like, it's not natural, it's bad for health, what is that stuff they cram into hens and pigs? Today, we're going to bust these myths, and you will see that they are not harmful, but highly natural. Furthermore, they are the cornerstone of modern livestock breeding. Indeed, one can eventually come across compound feeds of poor quality. Even so, we're going to tell you about a manufacturer who made quality their main principle. Welcome to Edinstvo Group. Edinstvo Group has been one of the key actors in the market of feed mixtures, premixes, concentrated feedstuff, and other products for livestock and poultry farming for over a decade. A solid customer base, powerful production facility with feed mills in Poltava, Khmelnytsky, and Dnipropetrovsk regions, superior quality products of such trademarks as Shedra Niva, Balan's Optima, Feedline, Best Mix, Best Laboratories in the industry, highly qualified personnel. All these resources were pulled together under the umbrella of the Edinstvo Group. And now we will show you how the feed mixtures and compound feeds of genuine quality are made. It all starts with this smart device. Every truck with raw materials arriving at the mill must first go through this decontamination station. It is the first stage of the multi-step quality assurance system used by Edinstvo Group. After weighing, the truck goes to the automated material sampling. The utmost requirements to the quality of source materials are the key to the quality of finished products. So should the grain to be found of inferior quality, they will just send the truck back. Now let's see if the grain is up to the specified standards. Talking of the standards, note that the Edinstvo Group applies stricter in-house quality criteria than regulatory requirements in Ukraine. What is this express test for?
Our express test determines organoleptic parameters in the first place. If we speak of grain materials, it establishes moisture and black dockage. If it is about protein materials, then it measures protein, moisture, fat, and ash.
After the express test, the raw materials are subjected to thorough laboratory tests. They determine the level of protein and minerals. They also check if the raw materials are not counterfeit, because unfortunately, there are still a few bad faith suppliers around. Please tell me, what if the raw materials are not up to your quality standards?
As far as protein materials are concerned, if they do not comply with the requirements in accordance with the national standards, we issue a product return report and send this truck back. If the grain material has excess moisture, it is dried, and if there is excessive dockage, it is removed using machines designed for this purpose.
And finally, after drying and dockage removal, if any, quality materials go into production. Animals, just as humans, need food that is nutritious and tasty. Moreover, each animal and bird requires its special feed, so it takes special formulation before any feed mixture and compound feed production can be launched.
Since it was founded, Edinstvo Group has enjoyed successful cooperation with top feed production companies in Europe and in Asia. These two are the regional leaders of the industry, both in terms of research and development and practical solutions. And this primarily concerns the pioneering approach to formula development.
Production of any feed starts with formulation. Edinstvo Group has a special division dealing with feed formulation.
Our department has the personnel with the competency in livestock breeding. They're livestock experts, livestock engineers, veterinarians who understand the animal physiology. The recipe formulation software offers each farmer a possibility to develop a feed formula that fits the technology applied by them best, whatever the scale of their production is.
And as soon as the type of feed is calculated, the formula is made and sent to production. And the customer can collect the first batch of feed in 24 hours upon ordering. Accuracy, scientific approach, and guaranteed achievement of the required result of feeding are the three pillars that support the whole foundation process at Edinstvo Group.
It is crucial that nutritive and feeding value of components to be used in the feed is considered in formulation. This is the only way to produce a balanced feed. It is even called that way, all mashed balanced feed.
Note that Edinstvo Group uses absolutely no hormones, antibiotics, and artificial growth stimulants.
Our formulas contain no hormones, no antibiotics, no growth promoters. We do not use them.
And why don't you use them?
Because it's unhealthy.
Unlocking of the genetic potential of animals is the effect of this scientifically selected natural protein, mineral, and vitamin formula. That is, if the creator designed the hen to lay eggs each day, as long as it is properly fed, it will do so. In addition to feeds, mixtures, and concentrated feedstuffs of known registered trademarks such as Shedriniva, Topcorn, Balance Optima, Feedline, Best Mix, the mills of Edinstvo Group produce customized feeds and concentrated feedstuffs according to special formulas for specific livestock farms.
We are here to help our customers to do their farming business throughout the whole cycle. That is, from feed formulation to production, feeding, advising on various issues, and to solving all problems, if any.
For this purpose, our company's specialists analyze the condition of animals, husbandry conditions, and other parameters that affect their development to make the best formula. If necessary, we also offer the vet vaccines and preparation supply services. We are at an agricultural research and development show. Edinstvo Group has been a regular participant and promoter of such events since 2000. People should share their experience and take pride in their achievements. The Shedriniva brand is yet another feather in the cap of Edinstvo Group. And not only because it has the richest and most diverse formula among all compound feeds in Ukraine, The product is up to the highest European quality standards. Ukrainian farmers, as well as livestock breeders in the CIS and Europe, effectively use it to their benefit, for it offers the European quality at the Ukrainian price. All processes at the mills of Edinstvo Group are automated and computer-aided. It's like playing a computer game, but it's not a game. This is a real production process. Sergey, please tell me how to play. I mean, how does it work?
Here you see our automatic weighing devices on the chart. There are vats with prepared raw materials above them. Now we watch metering underway. And as soon as the weight reaches the preset dosage, the feeding is paused, the gates open up, and to start mixing and the production of the ready compound feed.
When pharmacy precision metering is complete, the ingredients go to the crushing machines. With 20,000 rounds per minute, the machines ensure ideal grinding. Then the milled ingredients are mixed to form the ready feed. This is not the end of the process yet. Depending on the formula, the feed is either left loose or granulated, with possible subsequent crushing of granules. In addition, when required, the granules are further enriched or sprinkled with a liquid component. In this way, we achieve the widest range of feeds for any types of livestock, poultry, and fish. But this is not the whole story either. Do you know what this is? It's edible soya. It has undergone the so-called extrusion process. The mills of Edinstvo Group do not outsource this process so that they would not depend on suppliers and, most importantly, ensure the best quality. Let's taste it. It needs some sauce. Soya contains urease, an utterly inedible enzyme that prevents animals and humans from enjoying valuable vegetable soy protein for the benefit of their bodies. However, once extruded, that is, when the urease is destroyed under high temperatures and pressures, it becomes an alternative to meat for humans and the primary construction material for livestock and poultry to build their bodies.
Full-fat soya is actually our know-how. We have specially developed our in-house technical standards, since the Ukrainian national standards are yet to be introduced. This is a brand new product that retains full protein and fat content.
This is neither a sewer grate nor an air well. This is an absolutely unique structure. Sergey, will you tell us about it? Sergey, what is it? Please tell us.
Now, these are the high-end product hoppers. They're about 6-story buildings high.
Just think of that. 6 stories of the most tasty, super quality compound feed. Do you hear that sound? It's dull. The bunker is almost chock full.
When the feed is ready, it goes into the finished product storage, but it will not be shipped out until it is approved by the laboratory. In addition to certification under Ukrainian standards, we also hold the ISO certification. We are confident of the quality of our feeds and can guarantee it.
There's another question. How will one deliver this to a little chicken, goose, piggy, or even a fish, safe and sound? For this, we have a system of our handy, environment-friendly, and cost-effective packaging combined with a delivery system that ensures no compromise to quality or quantity.
Before any consignment is shipped, we always take reference samples. One of them is kept for ourselves, and the other one is given to the customer. We always issue a quality certificate from our laboratory, a veterinary certificate, and a quarantine certificate to prove that our materials contain no pests, contaminants, or other harmful components.
Such a silo can hold up to 40 cubic meters or 35 tons of the ready feed. Up to 95% of our finished products are shipped by the freight and logistics company being a part of Edinstvo Group. This offers lower freight costs for poultry and livestock farmers who buy our feed and do not have any freight fleet of their own. Well, what a hell of a day. But it was worth it in an effort to make a point about the unfailing quality of the feeds produced by Edinstvo Group's member mills, and the feeds go where they're waited for. But let us check once again. What's the use of all this? All these sophisticated software, machinery, laboratories, stringent and multiple quality controls. Elena, could you tell us what the point of this is? You can just pour some grain to chickens and some corn to piggies after all, and they will be full and satisfied.
It depends on what you're trying to get. If you want to buy a chicken, feed it with wheat, and have it grown to a hen in 1 year, and you lay an egg once every 5 to 6 days, well then, it's up to you to do so. But if you want to buy a chicken to grow into a hen just in 5 months, and to lay eggs each day, then you'd better buy our feeds.
Especially since buying feed from the Edinstvo Group has become even easier, in particular for livestock farms in Western Ukraine. Following the principle of European integration, and as a part of our effort to develop our business, we built a new feed mill in Litichiv, Khmelnytskyi region. It has proven to be another successful project by Edinstvo Group.
Being a national actor on the market, Edinstvo Group strives to go local in each Ukrainian region. And this is due to partnerships with a number of European organizations that we managed to implement this project in the Khmelnytskyi region, where the European Bank for Reconstruction and Development was one of the main partners. It provided the key financing and was involved in each stage of the project implementation.
The structure of Edinstvo Group is well elaborated to form a powerful trading and freight holding. The R&D laboratories engineered the precise formulas of complete feeds, premixes, and concentrated feedstuffs. The grain traders supply quality raw materials. The feed mills manufacture the products meeting the European standards for all types of livestock, poultry, and fish. The dealer network ensures the beneficial sales of the manufactured products and reliable communications with the buyers and suppliers. And the freight and logistics company delivers the products to our numerous customers promptly and safely. Consolidation of these subsidiaries is the business strategy that ensures the sustained development of Edinstvo Group.
With our huge theoretical knowledge base and practical background, we are here not merely to adapt the best European practices to the Ukrainian market, but to become a trendsetter for the feed production industry for years to come.
That's the end of our story. Now you, who work the land, who invest labor to make Ukraine flourish and prosper, know what quality feeds are and where you can get them. And you, our casual viewers who have nothing to do with agriculture, will not be misled by the fact that livestock was raised with compound feeds, but would rather ask, on which one? Or who is the manufacturer of the feed it was raised on? And you will have it all clear for you at once.